Delivering traffic information and intelligent driving services worldwide, INRIX collaborates with Ford on the automaker's groundbreaking Sync service. With instant AppLink voice-enabled access to the best routes, travel times, and personalized traffic reports, INRIX helps millions of Ford Sync owners take the guesswork out of their daily commutes. Thanks to INRIX, Ford now offers drivers another advantage: Sync Destinations, a free mobile app providing traffic information and route planning tools to Sync owners on the go. The app's unique forecasting feature predicts how traffic and travel times are expected to change over time, so drivers can better plan their trips, knowing the best time to leave, travel time, and ETA. Ford owners also benefit from the convenience of sending future destinations to the car right from their phone, using simple voice commands to start navigation when they return to the car. Sync and Sync Destinations also alert drivers to changing road conditions, accidents, and other traffic-impacting events, saving them valuable time, fuel, and frustration. How do INRIX and Ford do it? With the world's largest driving community and the industry's most advanced traffic intelligence technologies, drivers can depend on Sync to help them arrive on time, every time. A convention in town? A major league game? A visiting dignitary? INRIX keeps Ford Sync owners informed. While other drivers learn the hard way, Sync drivers can also report incidents to alert other drivers of what's ahead. INRIX also covers city streets and secondary roads, so drivers always have a complete picture of traffic conditions. Making driving better together. Drive one.